We are the Alpha Mining Corporation, one of the most successful outer space mining companies. Since defeating our arch-rival Kron Corporation at the Battle for Omega-6, we have established several more mining colonies on resource-abundant planets. Our latest discovery is Zolera, where we found a new, extremely valuable mineral. This mineral can be transformed into pure energy capable of powering ships, as well as improving our weaponry. The first few months of mining operations on Zolera went smoothly. Our scouts reported sightings of various indigenous creatures, but we left them alone, and they did just the same. Then, something happened. We detected what seemed like spacecrafts entering the planet atmosphere, and after a few days, before we could locate their position, they suddenly left. A few weeks later, the mining camps were attacked by hordes of swarm creatures. Creatures much more aggressive and physically different than the ones previously reported by our scouts. As we try to find out more about them, your mission is to defend our mining installations using all the firepower at your disposal.
Sector 1. Play the tutorial.
Your objective is to protect your base against a swarm attack. You must build defense turrets on strategic points along the path leading to your base. Click on one of the best strategic points now. The
machine gun ready.
Very well. Now click on another strategic point and build a second machine gun.
Machine gun ready.
Minerals are required to energize your defense turrets and increase their efficiency. Click on one of your machine guns and power it up now. Notice the blue light on the turret base when energized.
Machine gun powered up.
Well done. Notice that you spent almost all of your funds to build those two turrets. You will earn more funds for every enemy unit killed. Click on the Start Battle button to send the first wave of swarm attackers.
Prepare for battle.
Now watch your defense turrets crush the small group of invaders, and your cash balance grow. Excellent. You have enough funds to build a third turret. The rocket launcher deals heat area damage to several enemy units simultaneously. It is an efficient defense against small creatures traveling in packs and creatures with low heat resistance. Build a rocket launcher now.
Heat rocket launcher ready.
You can rush the next wave of enemy. You arrive sooner, but you will earn extra cash. Place your mouse over the rush icon to see details about the incoming wave. Then click to rush the next wave. Very well.
Rocket strike ready. Base under attack.
Well done. You can gather minerals faster by deploying additional mineral drones. Click on your command center and buy a new drone.
Mineral drone deployed.
Excellent. The tutorial is completed.
Heat rocket launcher powered. Heat rocket launcher ready. Heat rocket launcher powered up. Machine gun ready. Rocket strike ready. Heat rocket launcher powered up. Rocket strike ready. Machine gun ready. Heat rocket launcher powered up. Rocket strike ready. Machine gun powered up. Machine gun ready. Machine gun ready. Mineral drone deployed. Machine gun powered up. Heat rocket launcher ready. Machine gun powered up. Final wave. Rocket strike ready. Machine gun powered up. Machine gun ready. Victory! Upgraded. Upgraded. Sector 2. New creature detected. New defense turret available. Heat rocket launcher ready. Mineral drone deployed. Heat rocket launcher ready. Prepare for battle. New creature detected. Laser cannon ready. Laser cannon powered up. Powered up. Heat rocket launcher powered up. Base under attack. Heat rocket launcher ready. Machine gun ready. Heat rocket launcher powered. Machine gun powered up. Machine gun ready. Mineral drone deployed. Laser cannon powered up. Machine gun up. Machine gun powered up. Heat rocket launcher powered up. Heat rocket launcher upgraded. Laser cannon upgraded. Heat rocket launcher powered up. Heat rocket launcher ready. Heat rocket launcher powered up. Machine gun powered up. Laser cannon ready. Heat rocket launcher powered up. Laser cannon ready. Machine gun powered up. Machine gun upgraded. Laser cannon upgraded. Insulation windows. Laser cannon powered up. Rocket strike ready. Laser cannon upgraded. Final wave cannon powered up. Rocket strike ready. Victory. Upgraded. Upgraded.